Remedios Varo. The original name in full is María de los Remedios Alicia Rodríguez Varo Lloranga. She was born on December 16, 1909 in Angos, Girona, Spain, and died on October 8, 1963 in Mexico City. In Madrid, she attended Catholic school at Tempersat Arts at the Royal Academy of Fine Arts of San Fernando in Madrid, graduating in 1930 with a degree to teach drawing. In 1936 she met tourist spots Benjamin Parrott, whom she married in 1937. They arrived to Mexico in 1941. She began to devote her time entirely to painting only in 1953. She died of a heart attack at age 54.
In the works of Remedios Varo human figures frequently appear performing symbolic tasks with dream elements and mystical atmospheres. Creation of the Birds shows a hybrid of bird woman with old face that carries a strange rose connected to a violin located in her chest. In the other hand, he holds a triangular magnifying glass that refracts the light of a star to the page where a newly created bird is about to fly. Although for a traditional viewer, you can see a violin coming from the heart, which represents the soul with which he draws and creates. The connection with the cosmos, Torah star and the appearance of the woman with the bird characteristic, as well as the furniture with edge-shaped parts.